we divide 731 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 2. So again we put down these 3 and it is 23. 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 1 and it is 31. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 731 divided by 5 is 146.2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.